We'll do it for a short while.
Okay. Hello guys, I'm in VR with oofski. As you can see, VR Animal Company.
Right. Well,
You can buy this for that much.
How much?
That's cheap. So there's a bit of a massive update here.
Sweet home Alabama.
Our aim is to kill.
Hey, where'd I get?
You already have a
Where'd I get
bag
my
on.
back? Bro, how do I even get this on my back? I can't get this on my back.
Wait, pass it here. Then hop on my back.
I'll be sure and ready and strong.
I'll take you with me. Bro, did you just fall off?
Yeah, I just fell off. Right, let's go.
Wait, where are we going? We going chicken?
Yeah, go check him first.
Cause I got grenades. What chicken? What chicken? The chicken in the rock cave or the normal chicken?
Normal.
I hop on my back. Alright, hop off.
Wow.
Oh, you failed.
What is that noise? I swear to God.
Yes.
What?
We got the egg. Take all the loot. Take all the loot. Oh.
Bro, it's not letting me carry anything.
Wait, what? Hey, that's my bag you got. I filled my bag up with loot. Bro.
What's the signal? Bro, I can feel the weight on them.
The
Bro, I
grenade.
feel the weight. Whoa. Alright. Bro, I feel the weight on this.
Bro, don't tilt the bag.
Bro, I feel the weight.
Wait, open the bag up. Run! No! We died. Bro.
How much chicken got me?
I'll go get the stuff. Oh, I need another one.
Right, finally got it on my back. Right, go.
Wait, hold this one, hold that one. I'll hop on your back. Then take off. Aim it up at the top. Oh wait, yeah.
Right.
There we go, just walk. I'm gonna go get the stuff. Then when we're running... when we're running away, I'll have one of the bags on my back. Then I'll have one in my hand.
Alright.
We'll have to put the heavy one on my back.
Off the bag I dropped. Bro, that's where that one is hot.
Don't touch the stuff. I'm coming right now.
Alright, but I keep on hearing weird.
You're hearing Mamacita.
Sleeping until the midnight.
Wait, did you just die? Bro, I just saw you fell off.
Bro, I just died.
I saw you fall off. Baby, I'm praying on you tonight.
That was bad. Ah!
Tado.
Mamacita!
Oh shit, we gotta run. Wait, what about the umbrella?
Go, 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 go!
What about the...
You still alive? Did you just fall?
Bro, I flew off the thing.
I keep on hearing the weird noises.
That's Mamacita.
Until the midnight. Get up on the phone, laughing all night long. Get up.
Where the Sigma is Mamacita?
The noise you're hearing. I bought you a bag. Right, let's go back to chicken. Oh man, we lost the egg. Right, put that on your back. Put this bag on your back.
What
We
about
don't
this
need
one?
that. We can sell that. Wait, pass that thing here. Right, hop on my back.
G'day. Oh, I've been married a long time ago.
Oh
Mama, see Why are we keeping being cooked, bro?
Bro, what happened to my hands? Bro.
Bro's armless. Just like me.
Bro, we lost the boombox.
Darn it.
Wait, how much
Guess
money
what?
do you have? Let's see how much money you have. I don't care. How much money do you have? Let's see.
Oh,
You have 5,000. What can we?
9,698. Whoa. Ooh, flashlight. Oh no.
Let's go to Mamacita's house. Bro, he blew me up.
Bro, my hand was stuck in that. I had to. Wait, I need to itch my.
Let's go Mamacita's house. You need to go get
Wait,
back.
where did the bag go? Oh,
Oh,
right.
where did your bag go?
Remember. Fell off.
How did I die? Don't touch my flashlight. No, 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 no. Right, we're going Mamacita's.
Leslie Crunch.
He's mother though.
Well, stop. Wait, we're going to that haunted mansion.
Yeah.
No.
Right, straight ahead. We're armless.
Bro, I'm scared.
I'm handless. Wait.
Bro, I'm scared. Bro, I'm scared.
I've finished the Haunted like a bunch of times.
I mean, I only finished it once. It's still scary.
What was that?
I'm Glor! Oh, bye!
Have you already put that?
Where are you? Did this viewer die? I need to go back to the lobby. Or he must have killed himself. Bro, you're blowing yourself up.
Yeah, well, yours about that.
Wait. I got your bag. Let's go one more time.
Well, at least we'll try.
Wait, scream. Right. Are you blowing yourself up again? Ooh.